Hi friends and viewers, welcome back to my channel Grammar Gurus. This video is an insight into the content that I shall be teaching through my channel. The video aims to systematically explain the learning journey of grammar gurus. Well, on Mondays, I shall be introducing the grammar edit, where I shall be teaching each part of speech one by one. You see, the rules of grammar are very important in order to strengthen your basics of and fundamentals of English. Hence, I shall be taking up each part of speech. I have already completed teaching nouns along with mixed practice of nouns in my previous videos. Next, I shall be introducing adjectives in the next edit of grammar section. On Wednesdays, I shall be bringing the spoken English edit, which aims to enhance your vocabulary and elevate your communication skills. This course I shall be teaching in two phases, basic and advanced. You see, one week I shall be teaching basic and another week I shall be taking up advanced. In the basic course, I shall be teaching translation from Hindi to English. In the advanced editions, I shall be teaching you how to speak the same boring, dull phrases and words in English in a much fancier and stylish way in order to speak English with elegance. In the next edit of Spoken English Basic, I shall be teaching how to pronounce some commonly mispronounced words in English. Now, on Fridays, I shall be teaching figures of writing. What are these figures of writing? You see, to build a house, you need certain tools. Similarly, in order to make English more fancy, we need certain tools such as metaphors, alliterations, hyperbole, similes, idiomatic expressions. I have already covered one lesson on idioms in my previous videos. I shall be continuing idioms in my next edit on figures or tools of writing as well. You see, on Saturdays, I shall be giving you the highlights of the content that I will be teaching in the following week. On the remaining days of the week, I shall be sharing some grammar friendly tips and tricks in order to make your English more and more alluring and captivating. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe my channel Grammar Gurus on YouTube to enjoy such plethora of fun-filled activities and learning. The content is suitable for all age groups. Hence, share with your friends, with your children, so that everyone can take the benefit of this content. My the links for my YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook handles are mentioned below. If you like the videos, do follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Also, these videos are free of charges and accessible to all. But if you want to join my tutorials, then these are chargeable at very economical rates. I offer both online and offline tutorials. For online tutorials, DM me or contact me on my WhatsApp number. The contact details are mentioned below. If you want to connect for offline classes, then the address for offline classes is also mentioned. You can always DM me on my Facebook and Instagram handles for any query. You can also call me on my contact number mentioned below. And yes, I also have a WhatsApp group which aims to connect globally all the English learners. If you are interested to join this group, then kindly DM your name and contact details on my Facebook and Instagram handles. So, what are you waiting for? Just pick up your phones, scroll, and type the link and join me now. Remember, daily dose, better prose.